From Chennai, India, to Chrastava in Czech Republic. From Kaluga, Russia, to Joinville, Brazil. 12 BENTELER plants all around the world are celebrating anniversary milestones in 2019. From Chongqing in China, completing its first year of operation, to plants such as Kalamazoo and Burgos reaching their 30th. Wherever we are in the world, we support our customers where they need us, since decades. From product idea to series production, with unmatched material expertise. We know how to form and to join metal like nobody else.